Karnataka. Remember, one of the big issues had been, and a debate point, should there be a reservation for the local Kannadigas in about 50 to 70% in even private industries. But now that the issue has been for now put on hold, BJP has trained guns at Siddaramaiah government. BJP is now targeting Siddaramaiah government, saying Congress does not even know how to govern a state. They first introduce a policy, then they scrap the policy within a day. Is it a joke, is what the BJP statements are coming in. Clearly at this point, remember, yesterday there's been a whole issue of whether this should be in a, for example, in a high-tech city, a global city like Bengaluru. Can such reservations really work, and should it be applied or should it only be merit? Joining me this morning is my colleague Anaga Keshav from Bengaluru. Anaga, it was definitely surprising that such a big announcement and then it is put on hold for different reasons and likely because of the confusion and outrage over it. How is the BJP targeting Congress now, and what is the government's plan here?
Well, Pooja, this was a big decision that the government has put on hold. Remember, this is
Go ahead, Anaga. We appear to have lost your audio there, if you can hear me.
Well, Pooja, this isn't a revocation. The government has just put this on hold and has stated that a further decision will be taken in the next cabinet meeting. The government says that we still need to hold a lot of discussions and deliberations with industry experts. What we have come up with right now is only a draft bill. Please wait. When the draft bill came in, Telangana, it was quick to jump in and pitch in its fertile ground to NASSCOM, stating that if not Karnataka, we will welcome you with open arms. That was the kind of competition that we saw yesterday, that too very quick, right after Karnataka government's decision. And now, the cabinet ministers are, it really appears that they have woken up and they have decided to put this bill on hold, or at least wait until they hold a lot of deliberations and discussions with industry experts before coming in and passing it in the assembly. But in the next cabinet meeting, this issue will still be taken up. It's not cancelled, it's not revoked. The government says that we will discuss it further and then implement it.
And perhaps take a little more consensus on this, specifically when you're talking of people who are coming into the state and contributing to the economy. Because remember, Kiran Majumdar also had raised concerns if this should be applicable in the way it has been announced. Thank you very much for now. Anaga Keshav will be telling us this big story. So for now, the whole 50 to 75% quota for Kannadigas has been put on hold. Remember, the locals may have appreciated it possibly, but it was a big concern specifically for the global talent that is attracted to different organizations and multi-level corporations in the Bengaluru city.